Just getting into prepping, well, it can be a little daunting. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so this video is for brand new preppers, and the reason it's for brand new preppers is we're seeing a very large increase in the prepper community. The reason is well, our world is not so great these days. People are not, people are worried. People are really like, where's all the food? Well, as preppers, we don't really worry about that because we don't contribute to empty shelves. We don't contribute to people running to the stores, you know, like the great toilet paper Armageddon of 2020. That's not us. So we should probably talk about some of the simplest things and the core or pillars of preparedness. So let's get into it. First things first, guys, water. Now, if you read anywhere, it'll tell you gallons this and gallons that, but there's no logic on it. So here's the logic. Doctors and dietitians say that you should be drinking 8-ounce glasses of water per day. That equals 2 liters, which is half a gallon. Now, if you add in the water that you need to cook food, wash your face, maybe take a quick bird bath, then just go ahead and crank it up to 2 gallons per day per person. If you're not storing that much, then you are going to have a bad day. Now, what can you do? Well, you can get one of those. Those are the ones I recommend for brand new preppers. The reason is they're still dirt cheap. You can still find them in the stores. They're actually a pretty solid product. The only caveat that I'll have about water is that the more active you are, the more you're going to need to put in your body. So maybe you think about that too. Obviously, the next thing should be food. Now, when we think about food, we don't think about meals. We'll think about meals in a second. Let's think about calories. Women with moderate activity levels should have around 1,800 calories a day. Men with moderate activity levels should have around 2,200 calories a day. So make sure you're looking on the back of those cans to see what you got. Now, when you think prepping and you think about buying food, right now, because it's really hard to get your hands on any large freeze-dried or like prepper food, you're just really going off the cans on the Walmart, I would just keep it very simple. Think about it in meals. Think about purchasing meals just like you do every day. I need if I'm going to make a meal tonight, I'm going to need 1 can of green beans. I'm going to need 1 can of chicken, and I'm going to need for the dessert, I'm going to need a can of peaches. So when in doubt, keep it simple. The last thing we're going to talk about is security. Now, when I say security, that means your personal security. Yeah, depending on your state, that could mean a boom stick. That could mean a baseball bat. It could mean just the craziest things in the world. But you have to look at it from the perspective of protecting you, your family, and your preps. Okay, so that's probably the shortest video I've ever made. If you're brand new preparedness, check out some of my videos. I cover a lot more things in detail. And educate yourself on some of the things that you're going to need to know if you want to survive the apocalypse. Anyway, if you want to survive the economic downfall of our country. If you're interested in finding out the other things that I've bought as a prepper, I'll put a link in the description. You can take a look there. You'll figure it out. So, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.